Get a feel for the 2018 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, V6 cylinder engine, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, cooled front seat. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.